What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Thanks for checking this one out. Today I'm going to be installing a few parts from I guess you can call them one of the sponsors of the channel and the car, and I'm really happy to be working with these guys. I had a lot of their parts on my previous 4 other Mustangs that I had, and they make great stuff, great suspension parts. And I mean, there's guys flying on their suspension, and I'm really happy to be working with them, and I really appreciate them. So today I'm going to be working with I'm going to be installing a catch can, and we're going to see how it goes. I looked a couple videos up. It doesn't look too bad at all, so I should be able to do it right here, and we're going to get started on that. So I'm going to switch over to my GoPro head mount and get started. And here it is, UPR Products. Definitely check those guys out. I'm going to put their Instagram down here in the video. Make sure you guys check them out on Instagram. Check them out on Facebook. They make a lot of good stuff, guys. I mean, this is quality catch can stuff right here. Quality stuff, and I'm loving it. Woo, hell yeah. This is some good stuff right here. This looks like the mounting bracket for the can. Awesome. Like I said, huge thank you to these guys. Thank you. Big shout out to them. Make sure you check them out. Go get one of these catch cans for yourself, especially if you have a Coyote car. Pretty much any car, you could always benefit from a nice catch can setup. Get a lot of that oil vapor from building up in your intake manifold, or building up on your supercharger. So definitely get one for your car. Highly recommend. Yeah, big shout out. Thank you so much, guys. All right, let's get started. All right, first things first, I got to remove this panel right here. Just a couple little body clips. Pop them up, take them out, and this whole piece should pop right off. Get rid of that sticker. So let's get you. All right, now that that's snug on there, now we get ready to install the actual can. Now you can see there's plenty of room down here now. And once that radiator cover's back on, you really won't kind of see the can, which will give it a nice, stealth-like appearance. So it's hot as shit in here right now. My garage is cooking, but I just figured it out. I put the catch can right here. I wanted to mount it a little bit more out of the way because there's a bunch of wires and stuff over here. So I kind of got it in a nice location where I want to. So now I'm just going to tighten down these 4 Allen key bolts, and then I'll start running the line to the, I'm going to have one that goes from here to the engine, and then one from here to the valve cover. So I'm going to get started on that. All right, got her in there nice and secure. Kind of like the location, nice and tucked out of the way, and it won't be bad when I have to drain it either. So now I'm just gonna run the lines. All right, now I'm just gonna undo the PCV lines from the engine. And fit, nice finish, and really nice. I just gotta fix this line, that's all. I gotta play with it, get it to sit right. But like I said before, big thank you to UPR Products. Thank you so much, guys, and I really appreciate you and taking care of me and sending out this kit and working with me with the car. And I'm really excited to get the suspension going and working on this thing, and we're gonna get it into single-digit passes. I know it, so it's gonna take a little bit of time, but I'm gonna get it there, and especially with the help from UPR. So if you guys need anything for your Mustang, suspension, catch can, anything, make sure you go to uprproducts.com, check them out on Instagram, check them out on Facebook, and make sure you guys, get some of the best parts out there. But thank you guys so much. All right, guys, sorry about that video. I was having camera difficulties. The temperature's not cooperating with me. The GoPro wasn't cooperating. I'm still learning, so I'm gonna try and do a couple more, install videos and stuff like that. Try to walk you guys through it. But like I said, I'm still learning on how to do all that. So bear with me and take it easy on me in the comments, because I'm learning. So I'm just trying new things here. But thank you to UPR. I really appreciate all their help, and I look forward to working with them in the future. But if you guys like this video, make sure you hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out, and I really appreciate it. And stay tuned, because I have tons of things on the way for this thing, and I'm just getting started, and I can't wait to make it faster and put my own touch on it and get it to where the vet kind of was. So just bear with me, guys. I appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks.